In this video, we will show you how to transfer USDT from OKX to Binance. If you guys want to get started with OKX wallet, you can use the links down in the description. First, launch the OKX app on your device and log into your account. Now, tap on the Assets tab at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on Withdraw and choose Crypto. Here, select USDT from the list of cryptocurrencies. Choose the appropriate network, e.g. TRC20 or ARC20 for your USDT. Next, specify the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Open the Binance app, go to the deposit section, select USDT and copy the deposit address. After that, paste the copied Binance address into the recipient address field on OKX. Double-click the amount and address, then confirm the transaction. Finally, complete any required security verification steps, e.g. email or SMS verifications. So that's how to transfer USDT from OKX to Binance. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with the OKX wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.